Hey everyone, I'm standing in front of our latest listing here in Eastside Costa Mesa, located at 1993 Church Street. This is the Ebb Tide Apartments. This is 12 fully renovated units that were completely remodeled here in 2022. The ownership went through and did extensive renovations. All 12 units are 1 bedroom, 1 bath, luxury apartment units. We're really excited to bring this property to market. And let's walk through this property. Let's come take a look and show you what this property is all about. All right, so just getting in here, the first thing to point out is the garages on each side. You got 2 garages on both sides. These are permitted to do ADU units. We can get 2 ADUs here, converting these garages into units. That would create a total of 14 units at the property, increasing the cap rate. Let's go walk around and check this out. All right, so all new stairs, railings, all the concrete has been done. All the nice paint. Windows are updated. The nice modern style doors really give this that mid-century modern type vibes. The ownership has spent approximately $1 million renovating this property. That includes all 12 units on the interiors and the exterior of the property. And this is just a very desirable apartments. To get 10 plus units available in Eastside is very hard to find. For an investor, this is desirable because you can get some scale. And then for the tenant base, to have renovated product available in the market is very, very hard to find. So the tenants flock to this property at least up very, very quickly. To get good quality luxury apartment living in Eastside is very hard to find. So this property is more or less turnkey going in for the next ownership to acquire this asset. They get a good amount of units in the marketplace. There's a lot of like duplex, triplex properties here in the market, low density and single family homes. So to get 10 plus units again is really hard to find. And then again, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can put your down payment down. There's not gonna be a lot of CapEx or turnover, and you can get some nice positive cash flow. All right, let's take a look at the back of the property. All right, so this open area obviously has some upside potential. You can create some amenities here for the residents. You can go in and maybe do some turf, a little dog park, some picnic tables, some barbecue area. But overall, it's basically a nice blank slate canvas for an investor to come in and add some amenities and add some value to the apartment community. And I just wanted to go through some of the highlights to this property. Again, it's a turnkey acquisition. The Ebb Tide Apartments has went over substantial renovations, which is great for the investor who wants to acquire units in this market, but not have to go through all the heavy lifting. The ADUs are already approved, permitted by the city of Costa Mesa, where we can convert the garages. And there is just a very high cost of home ownership here. Not everybody is able to acquire a home. There's a high demand for rental housing, and this property is very well positioned. Not a lot of deferred maintenance, if any at all, and the ownership has already reduced a lot of the utility costs by billing back for utilities to the tenants. Going in through some of the recent capital expenses that were done, let me talk to you a little bit about what was done here. The interior renovations, plumbing, all new PEX plumbing for all 12 units. There's also in-suite washer and dryers in each unit, which is huge. That'll help, huge amenity for the tenants, but also really help on the renewal. Air conditioners, each unit has an air conditioner, so you've got AC. They were mini splits that were installed. The kitchens, each kitchen has been completely remodeled, including all new cabinetry, countertops, fixtures, stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms are all redone, and you have tile floorings and showers. These are really, really nice. And again, you're not gonna have to go in and renovate these units for some time. They were built to last. Other CapEx, these are real oak hardwood floors, can lights, new windows and doors. On the exterior, as you can see, it's all new paint, and you've got the beautiful wood slat to give it that nice modern look. But again, new concrete, new railings, new lighting, drought resistance landscaping to really give it that nice turnkey finish. And again, it's also gated. So from a resident's perspective, this is really, really good product on a really nice quiet street right here on Church. And I believe this is going to be a great performing asset for the new buyer. If you are looking to acquire an asset in Costa Mesa, acquire more units in this market, or maybe make your first purchase in Costa Mesa, feel free to reach out to myself and Mike O'Neill, who are handling the sale for the ownership. We will set up a private tour for you and also give you access to the financials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.